On number 2, we need to create a matrix for each table. So my matrix A, I'm going to have GE, TM, and J, and then October of 08, April of 09, and October of 09. I'm filling in the numbers here. So I'm basically just copying the first table verbatim into this matrix. Now the second table is actually going to be more difficult, and I can't just treat it like it is and multiply it like B times A like I did in number 1, because even though the dimensions would match, the labels would not match. So I'm actually going to have to rotate this. So we are allowed to rotate it as long as we keep the information consistent. So this is Bill and Dan. This is GE, TM, J&J. So Bill, if you read across Bill's row, it's 50, 30, 20. So instead of that being the first row, that's going to be the first column. And then Dan, if you read across his row, it's 40, 60, 30. So 40, 60, 30 would be his column. So now if we find A times B, again this is a 3 by 3, this is a 3 by 2, so my inner dimensions match, as well as I need the column labels of the first matrix to match my row labels of my second matrix. So the column labels of the first matrix are here, and these match the row labels of my second matrix, which are right here. And again, just like in the other one, not only will they match, but they'll also cancel each other out for the final answer. So if I multiply these, and I'm going to get these numbers. Now the answer matrix will have the row labels of the first matrix and the column labels of the second matrix, meaning it's going to be Bill, Dan, October 08, April 09, and October 09. So that'll be our final answer. One other thing to mention here is that a lot of this data definitely you would find in an Excel spreadsheet. So if you have done a lot of work with Microsoft Excel or tables or stuff like that, a lot of data is kept in a spreadsheet. So Microsoft Excel actually has all of these matrix operations. So a lot of these matrix operations aren't just done with Bill and Dan, they're done with like hundreds of people, and Microsoft Excel can do that. So it's kind of a interesting application for matrices.